So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on my Klein non-contact voltage detector. Now this I bought to replace my old model, which was a Greenlee, which was given to me, and it was an awesome little tool except for a couple features. The ultimate thing why I didn't buy another Greenlee one was the fact that the switch was at the top, which was also the way the batteries were held. And because just the excessive twisting of it, it broke. And now the circuit's not complete anymore because the cap was a switch. So that's the immediate feature that I like about this one, is that it's a button here. And the feature that I like about the button is you got to hold it for a couple seconds before the LED comes on. So if it's in your pocket and you accidentally just hit this button, it's not going to go on. And now, as you heard, if you just hold it again, it will turn off and it'll give you two beeps to give you an audio-visual indication that it turned off. So first thing I love about this tool is it's a tool that can save your life. It lets you know when there's danger around. When you're operating this too, you always want to test it on a known live voltage source, so that way you go in there and you don't find out this was malfunctioning. So you just run over to an AC source that you know it's working, such as my 12 volts power supply here, and if you hear the beeping, then you know it works. So it's always nice to test that. So the second feature I like about this is the visual indication that it's on. The Greenlee didn't have that. A couple times I just leave it on, the battery would drain. So this way you know you're not draining your battery. But also to counter that part, Klein has put a auto shutoff feature on this, which is really nice. So that way, once again, you're not just draining all your batteries. So the voltage range on this is between 50 to 1,000 volts alternating current. But if you know any of my other videos here, that this is a 12 volts AC, it can detect that. So it goes milder, but it won't detect DC voltage. Now the other feature I like about this tool that's not ever really stressed too much is you can use it to troubleshoot circuits. I use this for if there's a short. If you just keep going to all the things in that line, you'll find that there's voltage, and then there'll be no voltage. So then that way you can isolate the points where the voltage stops, so you'll find your short or anything like that. I've used that a couple times residentially, and it's just a great tool. So that way, if you have to tear up a wall to find that, something chewed a wire or something like that, that you're going to do minimal damage. So it's a great little tool that way. Now, overall, I'm really impressed with this in comparison to the Greenlee. If it could detect DC voltage, I'd be in heaven, but for 20 bucks, it's a great little tool and save your life, and I totally recommend one of these. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. The one feature I don't like about this tool is the fact that it doesn't have the proud American name behind it in full. It could be designed in America, but the tool itself is actually made in China. It's hard to find anything that involves electronic circuits to actually be made in any other country but China, but it's one of those little details I don't like, but because none of the competition has anything to offer, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Have yourself a great day.